Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a Sigil Stone. Sigil Stones are incredibly powerful magical artifacts, crucial for any aspiring enchanter. They allow you to imbue items with strong, unique effects, making your gear much more formidable. You'll primarily encounter these valuable stones within the dangerous realms of Oblivion, specifically inside the towering Oblivion gates that appear across the land. Understanding their purpose is the first step to acquiring and utilizing their immense power. To begin your quest for a Sigil Stone, you must first locate an Oblivion gate. These fiery portals appear somewhat randomly across the landscape, often near major roads or settlements. Once you discover one, it will be prominently marked on your world map, guiding your way. Entering and successfully closing these gates is the sole method for acquiring a Sigil Stone, so be ready for a challenging journey into a hostile dimension filled with formidable Daedric enemies. Once inside an Oblivion gate, you'll navigate a treacherous, lava-filled landscape. Your primary goal is to reach the towering Sigil Keep, usually located at the heart of the realm. Be prepared to face numerous Dremora and other Daedric creatures guarding the path. Upon reaching the top of the keep, you will find the Sigil Stone. Interact with it to activate its power, which will instantly close the Oblivion gate and add the stone to your inventory. Congratulations, you've acquired a Sigil Stone. This powerful artifact will automatically appear in your inventory. To use it, simply find an enchanting altar, which are commonly found in mages' guild halls. Place the Sigil Stone, the item you wish to enchant, and a filled soul gem onto the altar. The stone will then imbue your item with a potent magical effect. Remember, each Sigil Stone is a one-time use item, so choose your enchantment wisely to maximize its benefit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.